So in this video, you're going to learn what wholesaling is and the pros and cons of wholesaling. So what is wholesaling? Now, wholesaling is when you order a product directly from the manufacturer that produces it, and then you receive that product as inventory shipped directly to your home or place of business. And once you have that inventory, when a customer places an order with you, you ship that product from your home or business directly to your customer. So what usually happens when you wholesale is you order your products in batches from the manufacturer. So when I was selling bracelets, I would order about 60 bracelets at a time. So I'd place a large order with the manufacturer. Once they were done producing these bracelets, they would ship the bracelets directly to my home, and that meant that those bracelets were a form of inventory. So I would have 60 bracelets sitting in my home, and whenever a customer placed an order with me for one bracelet, I would then ship a bracelet directly to the customer. So the advantages to wholesaling are you have much more control over the whole process. You're getting the products delivered directly to your home, and you're shipping those products to your customer. You're not leaving that responsibility to somebody else. You also have a much higher profit margin. Because no one's doing all the work for you, you're going to make a lot more money because you can buy these products pretty cheaply, and then you can sell them for a much higher cost on eBay. There's also many more suppliers that wholesale. There are tens of thousands of manufacturers that you can wholesale products from. And in a later video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find these profitable products. But at this point, it's just important to know that when you wholesale, there are an endless amount of products that you can choose from. And finally, in most cases, you'll spend a lot less on shipping. And that's because when a manufacturer drop ships a product for you, they usually charge a lot in shipping costs. But as you'll find out in a later video, there's ways to ship items very cost effectively, which means you're not going to pay that much for shipping when you're shipping the products yourself. Now, there are disadvantages to wholesaling, and most of these disadvantages actually scare people away, so they don't give wholesaling a try. And the first is inventory. So when you order your products, like I said with the bracelets that I ordered, you then have to sell those bracelets. If nobody's buying the bracelets, then you still have inventory in your home that you've already paid for. So that's why it's very important when you're finding profitable products in the first place is to make sure it's a product that has a market and people are willing to pay for it. The next disadvantage is there's an upfront cost. So you have to place that large order with the wholesaler before you get money from your potential customers. Now, the way around this is to order small batches first and then make money. And when you make money, then you can afford larger batches, and you keep doing this and order more and more large orders over time. And the last disadvantage is shipping time. And that's because once you place an order with the manufacturer, it often takes them a while to make the product and eventually ship it to you. So with these disadvantages in mind, wholesaling is still by far the best option, and it's really not as bad as most people think. And the biggest thing I've heard that stops people from wholesaling is that upfront cost. But the truth is you can get started for less than $200 and just work your way up as you make more sales and generate more money.